Hello everyone, we'll be learning how to neatly fix side pockets to trousers today. I'm emphasizing the neatness because the result is going to be truly clean and beautiful. We are going to start by cutting out the pockets, and the measurements for the pocket depends on how deep you want it. For me, I used 10 inches by 14 inches. I'll set the pocket aside and I'll go to the front bodice of my trouser. I'll mark 7 inches by 3 inches. As you can see in this video, you can actually do 2.5, but I used 7 by 3 inches here. You can decide to use any measurement for this. It depends on the kind of shape you want to have at the end of it. The sewing process is still the same. So I'll just go ahead and cut that part out. I'll take the pockets again. I'll make sure that the right side is facing each other. Right side facing each other. Please kindly note that I have the 2 pockets for the 2 sides of the trousers here. So I'm going to place them under the trouser. The part that I cut out earlier, I'm going to place the 2 pockets under and just cut out. Please do not fold the pocket while doing this because we only need to cut out one side of the pocket. We're just going to cut out one side. After cutting it out, you are going to fold, making sure that you are folding the right side of the fabric. This part I'm folding here is the right side. The next thing we are going to do is to sew that part, and after sewing I'll just turn it outside. That means the part I'm turning right now is the wrong side of the fabric. The next thing I'm going to do is to top stitch that part I just turned outside. I'm going to top stitch that part. If you do it this way, your pocket is going to come out neat. You won't have to weave it when you are done. It's just going to be very, very neat. So this is what it looks like for now. I'll just go ahead to place the front bodice of my trouser, and now we'll start fixing the pockets. To fix the pocket, I'm just going to place the side of the pocket that I cut out on the side of the trouser that I cut out earlier. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. I'll place them on each other and I'll just sew. As you can see in this video, I'll just sew, and the next thing I will do after sewing is to notch to make sure that it is smooth when I flip the pocket to the other side. So after flipping the pocket to the other side, I'm just going to arrange it with my hand and go and iron. I'll press very well so that that part is going to be neat and smooth. After ironing that part, the next thing I will do now is to top stitch that side. I'm going to top stitch that side of the trouser. As you can see in this video, with about 1/4 inch, I'm going to top stitch that way. And please make sure you're not stitching the other side of the pocket while you are top stitching. You're only going to top stitch on that side that you cut out. So this is what it looks like after top stitching, and now our pocket is almost ready. The next thing I'll do now is to stitch down that side. I'll just use my machine to hold it down. You can actually use your pins for this. It's not that serious, and the only reason for sewing it this way is just to make sure that the pocket stays in the same place, maybe when you are joining your band and also the back to the front bodies. So I just tack it down in the 2 places. You can use your pins as well, and this is what it looks like. It's looking really, really neat. This is actually the best way to fix your side pocket because it's just going to come out perfect. Like, it's actually so beautiful. I'll go ahead and flip it to the other side so that you can see how beautiful it looks from the inside. This is it. It's looking really, really nice. Can you see? You don't have to do too much. You don't have to weave it when you are done. I hope you guys will try this method and let me know if you learned 1 or 2 things from this. The next thing I'll do is just to place my back bodice on it and I'll join. So that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.